Hello, welcome to Funics Reader. This is Mrs. Sabrin, your phonics coach. In the lesson 3B, you learnt U has a sound and L has a sound L. If you haven't seen the previous lessons videos, the links are in the description. Subscribe for more. In this video, you will learn two new sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. What's happening in this picture? The boy is playing on an inflatable fish. It has air in it. When the air comes out of the inflatable fish, there comes a sound. If. There's a letter that makes the sound if. Can you guess which letter it is? It's the letter F. F has a sound if. Let's say it together. F has a sound if. F has a sound if. Good job. Look at this picture. The boy is playing cricket. When he hits a ball with the bat, there comes the sound B. There's a letter which makes the sound B. Do you know which letter it is? It's the letter B. B has a sound B. Let's say it together. B has a sound B. B has a sound B. Good job. Now it's blending time. What is blending? Blending means joining sounds together to read a word. Let's try it. You know that the letter F has a sound if. Now we are going to read a three-letter word using the sounds we already know. So let's blend three sounds together. What is this sound? If. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. If, a, fa. What is this sound? Shall we blend them all? If, a, fa. Fan. Let's try again. If, a, fa. Fan. Great job. You just read a three-letter word. Let's try another word. What is this sound? If. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. If, a, fa. What is this sound? T. Shall we blend them all? If, a, fa, t. Fat. Let's try again. If, a, fa, t. Fat. Great job. You just read another three-letter word. You know that the letter B has a sound B. Let's read another word. What is this sound? B. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. B, A. Be. What is this sound? D. Shall we blend them all? B, A, be, D. Bed. Let's try again. B, A, be, D. Bed. Great job. Let's read another word. What is this sound? B. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. B, A, be. What is this sound? Let's blend them. B, A, be. Ben. What is this sound? D. Shall we blend them all? B, A, be. Ben, D. Bend. Let's try again. B, A, be. Bend. Bend. Great job. You just read a four-letter word. Let's read another word. What is this sound? B. What is this sound? A. Let's blend them. B, A, B. What is this sound? L. Let's blend them. B. Bul. What is this sound? B. Shall we blend them all? Bul. B. Bulb. Let's try again. B. Bulb. Bulb. Great job. You just read another four-letter word. Now you know F has a sound if and B has a sound B. Subscribe for more phonics lessons. Keep practicing every day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.